Hey guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Typli AI, churn out quality content with an AI writer and SEO assistant in one. This is another copywriting AI tool with SEO inbuilt features. The limits are really good and they claim to be an alternative to Article Forge. Typli AI is an AI writer and SEO assistant that lets you generate original, high-ranking copy whatever you work. So copywriting AI plus, let's check out the deal. It's pretty simple. You have both tiers, tier 1 and tier 2, and the difference are the number of characters generated per month. They created the deal for you to buy 2 codes because then you have unlimited characters, so you can use the tool without any limits. Let's take a look at the tool, check if you like it and if it can help you on your workflow. Here's Typli AI. You can see here I have AppSumo Tier 2, so unlimited credits. Here they have some tutorials to help you to use the tools, and you can see that they have a WordPress plugin integration where you can use the Typli AI features, the Mozilla extension, and a Chrome extension. You start to use the tool clicking on New. Here on the right, you can see the SEO features. On settings, you can select how many words the generate AI content will create when you generate a new. I just selected some copy here from AppSumo about Teuto. So I'm going to add the Teuto title here. It delivers your videos worldwide on your own customized Vod platform. And I'm gonna write here text from AppSumo, copy and paste. You can write your outline, add a picture. You can add YouTube, Vine, Vimeo, or other links. So you can add video as well. And clicking here, you can add embed code here, for instance, Twitter. I just passed my Teuto tutorial here, so you can see how they embed YouTube. And when you want to generate new AI content, you just click here. But first you need to select a couple of content and then you click on the button. As you can see here, from that text here, I generated that text, Typli AI. So Teuto lets you create or edit video, incorporate custom message, publish your video on your custom platforms, etc. And when you are editing your content, you can use those features. You can do that. Italic, you can also change the color of part of your text. You may also add a link, clicking here. So link added on that part of the text. You also can turn a part of the text as H1, H2, or H3. You may also use a code and create a code environment here to code. You can code in the middle of your text. And if you want to generate more text, you just select a part of the text that you want and you click here. And you see that Typli will generate more and more text. And to look at this SEO features, you click here on the red button, type your keywords. You can see that Teuto tells you a monthly volume for that keywords, and you can get keyword suggestion for directly into many different countries. You can see here the volume again of suggested keywords. In your SEO score, they will I'm scoring 0 because I'm not creating an article seriously, but they want you to do those kind of steps. Then you can your score. Some basic SEO features. You can export as doc, export as PDF, and you can also spin the text. Let's try to spin that one. Text, spin it. Also, they have an integration with Copyspace, so you can add on Typli the Copyspace API, and you can, track plagiarism on your text. So that is Typli AI, pretty simple to understand and pretty simple to write. The good thing about that tool is that you're going to get an unlimited character tool, unlimited copywriting AI tool for only 2 codes. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.